Welcome back to Ignite Core Solutions. I am Samia Noor, and in this tutorial I will guide you through writing your very first HTML code. If you're an absolute beginner, this video is for you. Together we will not only write code, but I will also explain what each part means so you truly understand the building blocks of a web page. Let's begin. Let's begin by creating a new file in your code editor. I am using Visual Studio Code. Click New File and save it as index.html. This is the standard name for the homepage of a website. Now let's add the basic code that every HTML page starts with. In Visual Studio Code, you can simply type an exclamation mark and press Tab key. This will automatically generate the standard HTML structure for you, saving time and helping avoid typos. Here's what the generated code looks like. This entire block is called the HTML document structure or the HTML boilerplate code. Why do we write this before anything else? Because it tells the browser what type of document this is, how to read and display your content correctly. Let's break it down line by line. This tells the browser that this file is written using HTML5, the current standard version of HTML. Without this, some browsers might not interrupt your code correctly. This tag starts your HTML document. This attribute specifies that the content is in English, which helps search engines and screen readers. This section contains meta information about your page. This is information that describes the page but doesn't display on the page itself. This tells the browser what character encoding to use so it can display text, including special symbols, properly. The title that appears on the browser tab when someone visits your page. This is where you will write all the content that visitors will see, your text, your images, your links, and more. Now that we have our basic structure in place, let's start adding actual content inside the body tag, including headers, paragraphs, and a footer. Header tag defines the top section of your page. A header usually contains the site's title, logo, or navigation links. It's like the banner at the top of a document. The H1 tag defines the most important headline on your page. Search engines also use to understand what your page is about. The P tag stands for paragraph. It is used to display blocks of text. Paragraphs help break your content into readable sections. The H2 tag defines a second level heading. It is smaller than header 1 and helps organize your content into sections. HTML provides header 1 to header 6. Each number represents a smaller heading. The footer tag defines the bottom section of your page. A footer often includes copyright information, credits, or links to terms and policies. Think of it as the place where readers expect to find closing information at the end of a page, like the signature at the bottom of a letter. Save your file and open it in your browser. Now you should see your headline at the top, your paragraphs below, a subheading and a footer at the bottom. Try changing the text in your code and refreshing the browser to see how quickly you can update your page. Notice how the headings are large and bold, paragraphs are smaller and normal, and the footer is at the very bottom. Today, you have created your very first HTML web page and learned the meaning of essential tags. Header tag defines the top section of your page. H1 and H2 tag, headings that organize and highlight your content. P tag, paragraphs of text. Footer tag, the bottom section of credits or important links. In the next tutorial, we will add images, links and lists to enhance your page and make it more interactive. Don't forget to subscribe to Ignite Core Solutions for more beginner-friendly tutorials. If you completed this tutorial, comment below. I completed my first HTML code. I would love to see your progress.